Ever wondered what it actually takes, in cold hard cash, to send something beyond our atmosphere? We're not talking about a quick hop to the moon in a classic Apollo capsule. We're talking about building a modern marvel, a true spaceship, capable of reaching for the stars or even establishing a foothold on another planet. The answer isn't a simple figure, but a galaxy of factors that send the price tag soaring into the billions. Think of it like building a house, but instead of resisting wind and rain, your structure needs to withstand the brutal vacuum of space, extreme temperature swings, and radiation levels that would fry a normal computer in seconds. The materials alone are a huge expense. You need specialized alloys, heat shields that can survive re-entry at hypersonic speeds, and advanced composites that are both incredibly strong and lightweight. These aren't off-the-shelf materials, they're often custom fabricated and rigorously tested, driving up costs significantly. Then there's the brainpower. You're not just hiring a few engineers, you're assembling a dream team of astrophysicists, propulsion experts, software developers, material scientists, and countless other specialists. These are some of the brightest minds on the planet, and their collective salaries represent a substantial portion of the overall budget. We're talking thousands of individuals working for years, sometimes decades, on a single project. The sheer scale of the human effort involved is astounding. Of course, a spaceship isn't just a shell and some smart people. It's packed with cutting-edge technology. Propulsion systems are incredibly complex, whether they're chemical rockets, ion thrusters, or something even more exotic. Each engine is a masterpiece of engineering, meticulously designed and tested to deliver the immense power needed to break free from Earth's gravity. And let's not forget the avionics, navigation systems, life support for human missions, communication arrays, and all the scientific instruments that allow us to explore the cosmos. Each of these components is individually researched, developed, and manufactured, often pushing the boundaries of what's currently possible. Consider a project like the Space Launch System, or SLS, NASA's heavy-lift rocket designed for deep space missions. Its development costs alone have been reported to be in the ballpark of $24 billion, with individual launches costing hundreds of millions. And that's just the rocket that gets the spacecraft into space. The spacecraft itself, like the Orion capsule designed to carry astronauts, adds its own multi-billion-dollar price tag. Or look at SpaceX's Starship. While Elon Musk aims for incredibly low per-unit costs with mass production, the research and development investment for Starship has already exceeded $5 billion, and some estimates suggest it could reach $10 billion. The goal is to make space travel dramatically more affordable through reusability, but getting to that point requires colossal upfront investment. This is a recurring theme. The development of a reusable rocket like the Falcon 9, for instance, cost SpaceX around $390 million, a fraction of what a government agency might have spent, but still a significant sum. It's also important to distinguish between the cost to develop a new type of spaceship and the cost to build a single unit once the design is finalized and production lines are established. Developing a new spacecraft involves immense R&D, prototyping, and testing, which are the most expensive phases. Once the blueprint is perfected, the cost per unit can come down significantly, especially with mass production techniques, as SpaceX is trying to achieve. So, how much does it cost? The International Space Station, a collaborative effort between multiple nations, is estimated to have cost around $150 billion to build and costs billions more annually to operate. The Apollo program, which put humans on the moon, cost roughly $25 billion in its time, which translates to over $100 billion in today's money. Even the James Webb Space Telescope, a purely robotic mission, came in at a cool $10 billion. In essence, making a spaceship isn't just about constructing a vehicle, it's about pushing the absolute limits of human ingenuity, material science, and engineering. It's an investment in the future, in scientific discovery, and in our collective dream of venturing further into the universe. The price tag reflects that ambition. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.